Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning all about Git. Git. What is Git and why is it important? Git is a free open source distributed version control system that records changes to files as snapshots or pictures. It allows developers to collaborate effectively with teams and manage complex projects with speed and efficiency. Git is very good with data integrity. You can trace and tell who did what with a software program using Git credentials, which will which we will see in our upcoming videos. What is GitHub? Where are Git commands run? Git bash or SSH? GitHub is a source code management tool, SCM, used to manage repositories. Git commands can be run on Git bash, which is an application or terminal installed on Windows, where you can experience command line interface. Git commands can also be run on SSH terminals provided by Mobile Extern. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.